So today we're going to have a look inside one of these $30 speakers and see what this big tube contains. So I've already got the screws out. Let me move that aside. There's a battery. 118,650. According to the specs, that should be 1,500 milliamp hours. So there's your battery and there's the exhaust port. So that's battery. Now you take the tube off. It is basically just a cardboard tube. Hollow. Set that aside. Over here, the speaker bit and the electronics. It's going a lot closer. So there's your speaker. The generic speaker. So wrapped around the side, an FM antenna over here, because this is an FM receiver. It's part of the deal. It's also a Bluetooth receiver as part of the deal. And over here on the board, what do we got? Well, this thing, turn it the right way around. You know, it's your charge port and communications. I think that's charging only. You can put a micro SD card in it and play off that. There's a USB port where you can play MP3s off. Auxiliary in, 3.5mm stereo jack, and then your control button over here. So on the back, there's your power supply stuff, and there's a chip that does all the clever stuff, and another one over there. I think that's probably the audio driver over there. And the power supply stuff. There's more of it over there. And connect over here. Going to that switch assembly. Interesting. On the back, all you can basically see is the SD card slot, capacitor, and there's an LED right there in the corner. Power indication or status indication. That's the long and the short of what's going on inside this. It's basically mostly air. And here we can see the Bluetooth antenna on the side there. Now there you can see it over there. These things are really optimized. It's basically all in one. There's a tiny little board at the end taking care of everything. You got your speaker, your battery and your enclosure. And basically all that's happening inside this. One of the reasons I wanted it apart is I lent it to a co-worker, and this was the consequence. I need to change this micro USB port out because the charging has become a problem due to that damage. So I'm going to see what I can do about getting that out over there and replacing that. I think there's going to be a little bit of hot air work involved with that to get that fixed. I'll see about getting a spare one of those from somewhere. Get this thing working again. So that's basically these body speakers, boom boxes, type things, what it's like inside. And there's actually not a lot to see, but yeah, it's only a $30 product. So if you take one of the big expensive ones, the $300 ones apart, I'm sure you're going to see a lot more inside it. But yeah, that's why those also produce a lot better sound. This thing is adequate, but yeah, $30, don't expect too much. It works. Yeah, so that's the story. Just wanted to show you guys what I found inside this thing when I opened it up. And this is it. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I'll see you next time for more stuff. Cheers.